Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to another video. My name is John and I'm a professional hairstylist, and today I'm going to show you 4 super easy hairstyles where you can achieve it very easily at home, but at the same time they're going to be very quick. It's going to take us under 5 minutes for each look. So let's don't waste any time and let's start with a look number 1. So for the first look, we're going to create a low ponytail with a twist. Super simple, super easy, and it looks amazing either on the straight hair or a wavy hair. So let's begin with my beautiful doll here, and what simply we're gonna do, I'm gonna use my extension brush. If you watch my videos, I love it when it comes to brushing the hair. And what I will do, simple, I will brush the hair back. And then I'm going to need one elastic. And with elastic, I'm gonna put the hair into a ponytail. I don't want the ponytail to be too tight. We can leave it a little bit loose. And then what we're going to do, we're gonna loose up a little bit the hair, and we're going to create a little hole in the middle. And once we create that hole in the middle, then we're going to take the length and then we're going to put it into the hole. We're gonna twist it like that. Perfect. And once we put the hair through, then gentle, we're going to make it a little bit more tight, and then with our fingers just open up a little bit the hair to close the gap. And then if we want, just gentle brush a little bit the ponytail to be nice and clean. And for finishing, I'm going to use a little bit of a texturizing spray just to give that texture into the hair and a little bit of holding. Very simple. And our first look is ready. Very nice and simple. What you think? Nice and easy, right? Perfect. Look number 1 ready. And now let's move to the second look. The second look is a little bit more funky and a little bit more playful. What we are going to do, we're going to create 3 buns to the back, so we can give a little bit more a character. How we're going to do that? Simple. We're going to brush the hair back with our hands, and then we are going to separate the first section, just the top. We can say roughly about the middle of the ear all the way around, like that. Very simple. We don't want to brush it too perfectly. We like it to be a little bit loose and a little bit messy. It looks a little bit nicer since it's a playful look, isn't it? Great. And then we are going to need an elastic and a pins. I'm taking the elastic and I create a little ponytail, just like that, very simple, to the back. Beautiful. More clean result, we can use a little bit of a hairspray. I'm using a little bit of a hairspray just through the ends, and then very simple, the length I have, I'm going to twist it, and then I'm going to start place it all around. I'm going to twist it, and I'm going to use the pins so I can secure it. It's basically what we do. We're creating a small donut, and then one more pin to make sure it's nice and secure. Now we're going to continue exactly with the same technique by taking now the next section about the ear area. all the way through. Again, we're separating, nice and simple. Brushing it with my hands, and then again, we're going to take one more elastic and we're going to create one more ponytail. Again, a little bit of a hairspray, and we twist it, and we start rubbing it, and we start pinning it. And the last section. Now on the last section, anything is left, let me give a quick brush to make sure it's nice and clean. Perfect. All together, one more ponytail, and again the same. Very, very simple, very quick, and very easy. A little bit of hairspray, twist it, and place it all around. And that's it. Super easy, super simple. What do you think? Wonderful, right? And we are ready. And now let's move to the third look. What we're going to do, we're going to have half hair down, half up. But on the top, we're going to have a nice braid with a nice bun. So we're going to take a section from the middle of the eyebrow all the way back, and the same from the other side. And we want to make sure both sides are evenly balanced. And then I'm starting from the front, creating a French plait. As you can see, I'm taking horizontal sections and I add everything in the middle section. That way, my French plait has a little bit more volume in the middle. I love this way. And I continue plait the hair until I reach the crown of the head. Once I finish with my plait, then I secure it with elastic band, and the rest of the length I just very simply twist it, creating a bun by roll it around and secure it with a pin. And I finish off with a little bit of a hairspray just to give that extra hold in the hair. And the next look is ready. A nice beautiful plait, wonderful, right? Very nice, casual, but beautiful. What do you think? Yeah? And we are ready. And now let's move to the last look. Very elegant and can be worn either in a professional environment, in the office, or either in a night out. I really, really love it, and that's it, the sleek bun. So, how are we gonna do it? Very, very simple. We're gonna need hairspray, a brush again, elastic, and a few pins. But to make it a little bit more interesting, we're gonna do it with a strong side parting, and the bun is gonna be nice and plaited. But don't worry, it's super easy and super quick. So what we're gonna do, first we're going to find where we want the parting. We can have it either in the middle or in the side. Today, I'm doing it a little bit to the side. And then, very simple, I'm going to brush the hair diagonal back. There, where the ponytail is going to be. Very, very nice. And I'm gonna use quite a lot of hairspray. I want to be quite nice and sleek, so hairspray is going to be my best friend. So once I brush the hair very nicely to the back and I make sure the hair is nice and clean and well brushed, then I'm going to create a low ponytail. I will make sure it's nice and tight and secure. Then I'm using a little bit of a hairspray so it can give me a little bit of a texture into the hair, and with the length of the hair I create a very simple French plait all the way down. Once I complete the French plait, I use one more elastic to secure the plait, and then very, very simple, we are going to pin the plait into a bun on the back of the head. I'm gonna use few pins just to make sure it's nice and secure. And that's it. Really nice, sleek, low ponytail with a little twist to the back. Perfect. And that was 4 very, very easy hairstyles where you can do it at home. What do you think? Was it easy? Let me know on the comments below. And also, if you have any questions, again, just comment below. I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next video.